Hi, I'm Dusan Petrovic from Oracle Labs, where I work as a researcher and a developer. Today, I'll introduce you to the Multicloud Tester for JDK projects, and I'll demonstrate how it can help you significantly reduce test execution time. The Graal Development Kit for Micronaut, or JDK, simplifies building cloud applications by providing common API and tools that work seamlessly across all major cloud platforms. It is dedicated to making multi-cloud development easier, enabling developers to focus on creating value instead of navigating cloud complexities. So far so good, but more clouds mean more tests, and running tests sequentially leads to a longer test execution time. We are not suggesting you should write fewer tests. Don't do that. Instead, we tackle this challenge by enabling parallel test execution, significantly improving test execution time. This solution is available as part of JDK extension pack for VS Code, which offers tools designed to increase developer productivity. Let me show you the problem now. Here you can see Maven JDK project with 4 modules, each of them representing a cloud platform. To make it more realistic, the tests are running with test containers, which is needed as project requires database in order to run. Let's run the tests now. You can see the test container logs in debug console. You can see that it took almost 2 minutes to execute all of the tests. Keep in mind, this is a sample project with not that many test cases, but in real-world scenarios, the execution time will be longer. In order to solve this issue and reduce test execution time, we enable parallel test execution. We have the same project as before, but now we have JDK extension pack installed. Let's run the tests to see if there is any improvement. Now, when we run the tests, the execution time is about 1 minute, which is 44% faster than before. In addition to this, we have a test matrix, which gives us the possibility to see at glance what the state of our testing is. Consider this case. We ran our tests. Now, with JDK extension pack, we have a quicker feedback on the test outcome. We see that one of them is failing. If we click on its state, it will open the failing test case where we can fix the test. After we fix the test, we can rerun the failing test. This way, test matrix layout makes it easy to see the state of our testing, and it increases developer productivity by making navigation between test cases as seamless as possible. We believe in making multi-cloud application development as easy as possible. Reducing the time it takes to run multi-cloud application tests is a big step towards this. Start your multi-cloud journey by downloading JDK extension pack for VS Code and get access to all of our great tools for building multi-cloud JDK applications. Thanks for watching.